This video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover a digital desk clock or digital wall clock. It will go on a desk or a wall. Look at the size of this thing. This is probably 2 feet across. This will be great for anyone that's kind of wants to have it in like a workout room or an area maybe where you're doing like drills on something, or you've got a long distance. I'm going to hang it on my wall over there and kind of just where I can kind of see it all day long. You know what? Who doesn't love a good clock? So let's go over some of the features of it. It's 16.6 inches in the screen. It's 4-inch big digits, so the numbers are 4 inches high. It's built-in light sensor for smart dimming, so you turn the light on and off, it will dim with it. It's got a high-quality LED, battery backup function in case of power outage, 1 key switch, switchable, 12 to 20 time format, 1 key switchable. It also has a thermometer on it, so it's Celsius and Fahrenheit. Has a remote. It displays daylight saving time. How about that? Keeps accuracy up to 30 seconds. You can see there's 2 ways of doing it. You got to stand and put it on the desk. I'm going to show y'all on the desk, or you could screw it into the wall. So let's just open it up. Let's see what we got here. A USB brick right there. You get a very long cord, so you can see that. That's probably a 6-foot cord. We'll plug that in right there. You get the remote. Let's go ahead and take the remote out. There's the backing plate, but we will not need the black backing plate right now. And it does come with batteries. I love it when a company gives you batteries. So there you go. That should be working. Check it out. You get 2 more batteries installed. So it comes with backup batteries installed. If the power goes out, you don't lose your time. And there's the stand. That is awesome. This thing looks awesome. So just in case you don't have the remote, all the buttons right here are on the top. Let me go ahead and plug this thing in and show y'all exactly what it looks like. Okay, everybody, I got it plugged in here. Check out how the stand works right there, but I'm just going to lay it down like that. Look at this. So you have a multicolor. So check out the bottom. Is that not awesome that you have colors down at the bottom to change the color? You have a dimmer. See, I can go a little dimmer. What it's doing is dimming this bottom here. It has an alarm set on it, so you can do an alarm. Let's try the remote. Oh, look, check it out. You can turn the alarm on and off. You can see it's 69 degrees Fahrenheit in here. LED. I can turn the whole thing off. Oh, that's cool. So if I just want to turn off the whole clock, I can turn the whole clock off. 12, 24 hours. See, it's PM. To the 24-hour setup there. Celsius, Fahrenheit. I love the size of these things. 4 inches high. You could see that from a long distance right there. You can do the timer. And this is what it'd come in great if it's like a workout room or a gym or something like that. You could start your timer and say, hey, I think you can have it count down. I can reset it there. So see, what's this? Now start it. There it is. So it's counting down. It's a countdown timer, and I could do down to the seconds and all that. I will have this set up. I do like a little podcast, and sometimes I lose track of how long I've been doing it. I'm going to put this in the background and let it count down, so that way I'll know when I went over my time limit. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the super large digital clock with alarm and countdown. See y'all in the next video.